Welcome to MineSim.
Hello, welcome to MineSim. In this short tutorial, we are going to show you how to start up MineSim for the first time. Make sure that it is updating correctly, and if this is your first time user on a digital double operation, how to gain access to your plant. What you see in front of you is the MineSim website. It may look different in the future, but all of our versions we will keep a login button on the top right corner of the website. We will be assuming that you have already confirmed your email address and obtained your temporary password. It looks something like this. Now, let's click on Login to MineSim. This is the login screen. Please type in your email address and your password in these fields. If you ever forget your password, click here on Forget Password. You will need to put your email address in, and as long as you have an active MineSim account, we will send you a temporary password for you to log in. I'm going to put in my username and password, click on Login, and then I'll meet you at the main dashboard. This is the main dashboard. If you're an administrator of a license, you will see graphs that give you details about the activity of your users on your license. If you're a normal user or a student, you won't have such an active dashboard. We won't go into details here, but we will look at some of the important areas. On the main dashboard, you will find Download MineSim Launcher. Click on this to begin your download. Go to MineSim Videos. Inside MineSim Videos, you will find that there is more tutorials and information about the MineSim systems. Have a read through the frequently asked questions, and you'll be able to find some further information about what we're doing or why we're doing it. Visiting the changelog, you will be able to see any bugs we have found, fixed, or improvements made. Now, your MineSim download should have finished. Let's click on that and begin the installation. Clicking on the setup file and running Windows 10, you'll get a pop-up saying that MineSim is unrecognized. Click on More Info and then Run Anyway. Your installation will begin. Click on Create a Desktop Shortcut. Next. Install. Setup is preparing to install MineSim on your computer. And the installation will begin. Once MineSim is installed, it'll ask you to run MineSim. Do not do that. Close the installation and let's make sure that your MineSim is ready for patching. The first thing we're going to do is make sure that MineSim is set up to be run in administrator mode. This is to allow the patching of MineSim to happen over the internet. Right-click on your icon and go to Properties. Click on Advanced and make sure Run as Administrator is selected. And click on OK. From here, open the file location. Opening the file location, right-click on MineSim Launcher, click on Properties, go to Compatibility, and make sure that Run this program as Administrator is selected. Click on OK or Apply and close. Now you can run MineSim. MineSim will begin its launcher, making sure that all of the assets have been updated. This could take as short as 10 minutes and as long as 30. Please be patient. MineSim will automatically start once it's been completed. Once you're in MineSim, you're going to put your email address in and your password over here. Very similar to how you logged in to the backend and got access to the dashboard of MineSim. Once you've put that in, you'll click on Submit. This will take you to the main menu of MineSim. Make sure that your name at the top is correct, and that tells us that you've logged into the right account. You can access the movement tutorial at any time, and that will tell you or explain to you how to move throughout MineSim. What we want to do is click on Lessons. Over here, you'll have access to all of the modules that you have subscribed to. And if you have any digital doubles, you'll be able to select them from in here as well. Select on any one of these and to continue. What we'll do is branch off from here and go into digital double and explain how to move through that process. Once you've selected your digital double, you will have your name of your digital double at the top, a little bit of description, and then a begin and close. Clicking close will just hide this area over here. Clicking begin will take you directly into your digital double. Once in, we get into a sub menu. This menu over here is mostly available if you've got any lessons that you need to talk about inside of your digital double, perhaps something as simple as a safety induction, which can be started in this area before proceeding into the digital double. Or perhaps we want to just explain something physical or interactive, and we could do that at the bench. At the moment, there is nothing set up for this digital double, so all of this is set to no, 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 the exception of the plant and the multiplayer. We won't talk about the multiplayer now. This will be something for a future video, and we'll go straight into the plant. Welcome to your digital double. This is a client's digital double, which we won't disclose the information about them. But once you're in, you'll normally be met with a screen. The screen is an introductory and welcome video. And you can now move around your digital double using your arrow keys or WSAD. If you want to ever change your controls, click on the escape button, click on settings. And over here is your interaction controls. And you can select the different control types over here. Completely your preference. You could also change your quality of your digital double. So if your computer is running a little bit slow, try change that to fastest or somewhere in between. You could also change your resolution or turn on the ambient occlusion. If your mouse feels a little bit slow, you can also adjust your mouse speed over here. If at any point you get stuck inside of your digital double because boundaries haven't been set up correctly, or you've fallen through the world through a bug, click on Reset Plant, and that will take you back to the start of this. Clicking on Main Menu will take you back to the main menu. Return to Class will take you back to that sub-menu. To exit out of this, press Escape, and then you can continue walking around and exploring your digital double.